We do it for the vlog.
People that need me, come back to the vlog. We
We do it for the vlog.
We're doing the vlog. We need the vlog.
We do it for the vlog. Kiwi, shut up.
Can't even make a fucking video. What go on, everybody? I know this kind of weird. I just have a weird dream. Say the vlog girl need me. What go on? They just light. I want to start my day, but I have to talk to you first. As you can see, big 35 birthday just gone. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more day upon them. Go and live your life. I know my wall not done do. I try to do the wall, but I run out of paper. Shit. I want to say thanks to Father God.
Kiwi, shut up.
I want to say thanks to Father God for making me have the energy to can do this stuff for you. I want to say thanks to all my friends, them, my family, people that believe in me. I couldn't do this without y'all. But yo, me not lie. Major respect to everybody who wish me happy birthday for my birthday. Because it was my birthday. Really appreciate it, you see me? And the fun and niceness forward back. 6 o'clock a morning I return. You see me? I go start today now. Come on.
Kiwi, shut up.
6 o'clock a morning. Me say it already. I feel like that birthday a back chat me, you know. Today was my birthday. Well, not today. My birthday just gone, as you can see. I'm going to take down this, you know. But my birthday just gone. Like, the moment of me doing this video, my birthday gone 3 days now. You see me? I go talk to you, but I want you to tell me happy birthday first. Thanks. But let me get back to the vlog. I'm so excited for vlog with you know. I get a new vlog camera. I literally just wake up and turn on all of them lights to make that video. I don't know nothing about the camera, but we are going to learn it together. You see me? I go wake up now and get my day started. Literally, at 6 something in the morning. So this is Kiwi, guys. Come take a good look. This is Kiwi. Hi, Kiwi. How your head look so? You're nasty up. Step up. She feisty. How your head look so? How you put your head in her? I don't know what she have in her head, but I have to go bathe her today. I normally put her in a shower with me and put her on the steam and wet her up a little bit. No more. This. Hello? Tell the people hello. Say hi. Me know you don't know that camera. Me probably catch her talk on this because she can't see herself on the camera, you see me? But this is Kiwi, guys. She still have her wings and she can fly. That never go as planned. And she can fly. Ah! Wait, how this go again? I'm that boy from Trabass. No, so. I'm that youth from Trabass. No, so. I'm that guy from wife the guy. How me I do? No, dog. Anjo. What go on, everybody? You don't know Anjo Trabass. We do it for the vlog. Wait, that's how this go? Hold on, wait. How me do this again? Me not lie. This feel weird. Cause a long time you don't see me. But me will try this again. Hold on. I'm that nigga from Trabass TV. What go on? We do it for the vlog. I don't want to miss the whole outro. Me have to drop that for all time's sake. What go on, everybody? What go on, my people? What go on, my fam? What go on, friends? Hi, if you're new here, I'm Trabass. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and like. Leave a comment so me can say hi. Long time though. A lot been happening, a lot go on. And I don't want to catch up with my life. You see me? I not even know where to start, but we're there back again with the vlog them, and I'm here to entertain y'all again. I know I did ease up on the vlog and the video and the comedy video and all of that. Some of you probably lose half of me, some of you probably never care. But you know, life be life in sometimes. Sometimes you have to go away and come back. Sometimes we all have to take breaks, you know, and learn the new shit and come back again, revamp yourself and all of that. But what me really there to talk about is, some of you know me a father, and no for now I probably want to say Trabass as a daddy, the journey of Trabass being a father. I don't think I go show that side to Uno. One, I still enjoy the journey of being a father. And two, I have a little princess now, so I like a video everything, but I don't really want to put her out there. I don't want to put out my baby on social media. I don't want to use her as nothing for Uno. Uno just know say me have a daughter. Sometimes Uno probably see her foot or on her ear she say something. But don't come here for watch the vlog expecting to see my family or see my private life. You see me? At 2025 now, may I speak it into existence. At 2025 now, and Welcome to the entertainer Trabass, you see me? If you're new here, you can watch your old vlog then for catch up to what we do now. Life is a process. We all grow up, we all transition in different things. Like for me now, I think me there I want place in a life where me I try provide for my family, further my career. You see me? No long talking no back of that. You already know. You see me? And I know for some of my man them this year probably wasn't the first time being father too. And overcome a whole heap of little obstacles, challenges and them thing there. You still there. But they have to applaud you know. You see me? You do a good job. Just go and provide and be there. You see me? Even if you are not there financially, make sure you are there for your youth. This is for every man out there we have a youth. You see me? But as me I say, we're back again to do it for the vlog. And the vlog will go switch up more. The vlog is more about Trabass lifestyle. Me shooting vlogs, going to parties, meeting people, all of that. Someone will ask me if I'm single. For right now, yes I am. I'm kind of on a life journey right now. I'm really trying to fix myself, you see me? Wait! The vlog now gonna be a spot where me go come on here and tell you why me single and all of that. The vlog is about fun. Every now and then me probably tell you some sad story about me or something, but me don't want to come where I expect fee. Wanna get the picture? Everything good. Right now, I just step on a different journey where I want to try better myself and providing for me youth. You see me? And I think I there for a purpose, guys. I know someone who probably have things you know go through in a life. Sometimes if you slow it down and listen to your voice in your head. No, not the mad voice, you know, but listen to a voice. You know we get clear direction for what to do. You see me? And again, I really appreciate everybody who is still there and tug it out with me. Because over the years, you see me on social media, you see me grow up from being a content creator, Facebook, from half of Facebook to transition to YouTube, to transition to making movies, doing tours, shows everywhere. Someone see me journey on social media, you see me? So, you know what kind of stage me depend on in a life, you see me? And I know, when it comes to relationship now, I know someone who are going to say, I'm here a problem. I'm probably the problem. Let's just get this out there. I'm probably the problem. That not say me can't better myself and be better, you know? But the vlog I gonna be a place where you can come, have a look at enjoyment, jokes I go run. You know, we gonna fuck around. You see me? I mean, I don't want to not put not. I don't want to not hold me upon a high standard. I'm a human being. We all make mistakes. We fuck up in our life. But I always fix it at the end. You see me? So I like talk them where I go through something. I dey here for no. I mean, I want just I say this true. Me have a vlog a reason. More and more my vlog me I got reason with the man and them on the vlog. Cause everybody needs somebody to talk to, you know, dog. And it woman them, me no left you out. My ladies, hi. For uno, me think everybody need therapy. Oh, I'm pissed about you, me a lock. Shit. Oh God. Hello? Anybody here? Hello? Oh, me no see no dead body in here, you know. Hello? Okay, guys. I had to stop to use the bathroom real quick. Oh no, give me a break. Me so forward. As to relationship talk, me I go say this and me I say it on the vlog. Me ain't not committed with nobody. Focusing on my career and my daughter right now are the main thing in my life. You see me? Me can't bother with the distraction. I mean even I try to be funny or not like that. When you just watch a vlog them for watch it. You see me? And you just know say me have a daughter. Life good. I mean ain't not committed. You see it? Alright. When it comes to the vlog now, as to the vlog, me have some things I forward for now. As you can see already on the page for YouTube, me already shoot content for now. As in short film, I go drop some comedy video again for now. I go do a whole heap of something. I want to collabs with a lot of people. So if you know I watch this right now and you're a content creator and you're in Florida, hit my line. If anybody out there want I can name something down in Florida, I want to link up with the kid. Link the kid. You see me? A mad move. But any business too, out there when need no promotion or you want to sponsor one of the short films, you guys can, you know. It's not going to kill you, no. And it's promotion for the business too. So you can watch my short film them and if you know one day you have something you want to promote or a business you want to promote and you want to sponsor one of the film them, the film will build directly around on a product. You get it? See me email up on top of the screen. This is my email. You can email me for further information and thing we can get the ball rolling. Yeah man, I'm a thing. I'm glad me have that little one-on-one talk you would know. I'm more and more we're gonna have more conversation. This is park where I normally come ride my bicycle. Me all forgot to tell you know. We pick up all heap of different hobby now, you know. Me exercise now, you know. this father thing I did have give me, this father thing I did have make my belly too big. And me not like that. Me did have to change it. So me I'll buy bicycle. The sports bicycle them for ride and exercise. So now go see some of that on the vlog too. You see me? Me did have go wake up and do that this morning. But me not lie. Me forgot me have to carry my daughter to a doctor. So me did have to jump, left my house, go from baby mother house and go carry my daughter to hospital. And now me a reason we do know. Thanks to all of the birthday wishes them from all of you know. Me really appreciate it. All like day one support of them. Man at 35 you know already know. You see me? Big up on yourself and really appreciate all like birthday shout out. If you can do me a favor, like this video and for my birthday, if you can, tell TikTok give me back my page. Hey, me don't know how me do TikTok, you know. Me say, me glad me start vlog now. Now me can talk too, no. I want to shit more and say. Now me have a vlog if you can say it. TikTok take me page them. I don't know if it's somebody hit me over there and keep on flagging my page. Every time I make a TikTok, you know, last more than 2 months. You see me? A good McDonald's chum soon ban it too. I'm gonna do my taxes them pan it, you know. Then just take me at that TikTok page and me not lie, me vex. Me did write them and hoping me that I get back my TikTok page for my birthday. It never happened. Me wish me that I get little gift for my birthday from TikTok, you know. Hopefully it come true still this week. But for my birthday, me did want couple things. For my birthday, me get couple things. And I really appreciate it. You see me, everybody will give me something. Big up on yourself. Me get mostly liquor too. Big up all of my friends and give me a buckle and everything there, you see me? And thing. Me get this actually for my birthday to the camera we talk on. So I'm really grateful for get this to start vlog back again, we don't know. And thing. But as me say, a lot to go forward for now. I can't wait, you see me? Why wanna say me did just in a eager for vlog something for you today, you see me? Come on talk to you and I couldn't get back the link with me and me set back the link with you know. Yes, right? But don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. YouTube, Andrew Trabass. As you know already know now, watch YouTube. Subscribe if you don't subscribe already. A lot in the works. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Trabass. I may have a blue tick. So now I know say me. If you want to follow me on Tick, which other social media platform out there? I don't know right now, but a Trabass I think you already know, you see me? But go and keep up to date with me. Let me know if you don't want to vlog them every Wednesday and Monday, or you don't want the every other day vlog them. I saw my life set up right now for make content for you and thing. I'm sorry guys. Hi. But yeah, today is a wonderful day for a walk. And I hope you all having a wonderful day too, you know? Mad up on yourself. And we're still doing it for the vlog. Big 35.
Up and down she go, up and down she go. Baby, we can kiss, we can touch. Say she been have a crush. All night we got up. She said, don't play with my love. Oh, if you do